So you mentioned at work, uh,
Yeah.
and that y'all were using, or y'all were using Copilot at work?
Yeah, we use the GitHub Copilot, which is
Yeah.
specific to code, right? Windows or Microsoft has, I call them all the Copilots. People ask me, "Hey, do you use Copilot?" The first question is, "Okay, which one?" Right? They got the
Oh yeah,
Office one,
sure.
they got the Windows
Sorry.
one, right? So yeah, I usually clarify. I'm not like writing in MS Teams over here. Hey, can you write me this 2,000 line T-SQL statement to generate a report or whatever. We use GitHub Copilot, and that is one of the best use cases and well engineered large language model tool that I've seen to date. It's really really good at a lot of things.
So what are y'all doing with it? I mean, are you asking it to write code for you, or to
Um,
review code that it matches a certain spec or
yeah,
standard, or what?
that's one of the things that makes it stand out from a lot of the others. It has a large feature set. And so the chat is fantastic. I use it quite a bit rather than going to Google and Stack Overflow, those kinds of things, right? That was kind of the normal
Yeah.
developer path for the last 20 years. Hey, let's go see what's on Stack Overflow. Somebody's done this. Well, now I just
Yeah.
chat with GitHub Copilot, and it's usually curating that and a bunch of other things to give me similar answers. But
Kind
it's
of the
also
death
pretty
of
good
my
at generating.
Selenium user group in some ways, but yeah.
Well, a lot of us are having to relearn some of these things, right? Yeah, it's like, what happened to all my old tools? They go away. But it's very good at generating code. So a lot of folks or developers, specifically the last 15-20 years, they've also used ReSharper a lot, right? It's been a big kind of IntelliSense kind of productivity tool for generating code, anticipating
Uh-huh.
what's coming. Copilot replaces a lot of that, almost all of it. And so it's able to kind of anticipate what I'm doing. They're capturing the full context of my developer tools. I use VS Code or same similar thing for Visual Studio, right? So
Uh-huh.
it's able to gain a lot of insight and kind of anticipate and generate a lot of the boilerplate, boring stuff, log statements. It also writes unit tests very well. So yeah, it's just kind of an all around good developer tool.